GM everyone, and welcome back to Web3 Coffee. This week saw quite a few exciting developments in the cryptocurrency industry. First and foremost, we had Bitcoin's fourth halving event that finally took place. We also had Dubai Token 2049, which is one of the most attended crypto events in the world. The Bitcoin halving had a fairly muted price reaction, and Dubai turned into a bit of a cyclone party. But with that said, I think that Dubai Token 2049 was still a great place to see several of the largest Web3 companies and some big names in the space. And clearly, there's a lot of exciting developments happening across subsectors in the Web3 industry. So without further ado, let me get into this week's topic, which is real-world asset tokenization projects that are truly making a tangible impact in the world already. So a quick refresher for those who missed last week's episode. RWA tokenization aims to bring physical assets or real-world assets into the digital world, like real estate, financial products, and art assets. This allows for easier management, trading, and accessibility, bridging the gap between traditional assets and the digital world. So very quickly, these projects enhance financial inclusion, improve composability, and unify liquidity. But how do they accomplish this? That's primarily through smart contracts. These smart contracts automate the creation, sale, and exchange of tokens, ensuring a level of security and compliance and seamless integration with other products that hasn't been seen before. This makes RWA tokenizations both efficient as well as trustworthy. One of the leading projects in the RWA space is Ondo Finance. They aim to facilitate access to decentralized financial products, merging traditional finance with DeFi principles. They make institutional-grade financial products accessible by offering a robust platform for managing and investing in RWAs on the blockchain. Next project I want to talk about is Maecenas, and apologies if I'm butchering that pronunciation, but this is a very cool project. Essentially, it allows everyday retail investors to buy fractions of famous artworks through the blockchain. This means that you or I could own a piece of a Picasso without buying the whole painting, making high-end art investment accessible to everyone, and thereby also allowing the regular retail investors to get access to gains in the art market. A strong infrastructure project in the space of RWA tokenization is Polymesh, which aims to streamline the regulatory processes required to put a security on the blockchain. This will enhance compliance and bring efficiency to the trading of these tokenized assets. The platform is tailored for those who need a straightforward and regulatory-friendly platform to put their assets on the blockchain. Sabai Property has integrated NFT technology with real estate, allowing properties to be tokenized and traded just like digital art. They've partnered with a leading developer in Phuket, which enables retail investors like you and me to access the Phuket real estate market for as little as $50 US. This makes real estate investment more dynamic and accessible, expanding possibilities in property management. Finally, the last project I want to touch on briefly is Pendle, which I look at as one of the more innovative projects in this space. Essentially, the platform allows users to trade and tokenize the future yields on their investments. This means that investors can trade upcoming returns on their assets in a secure, predictable manner, adding a new dimension to asset management. As we close out today's episode, the potential for RWA tokenization is clear. From real estate to art to financial products, the blockchain is proving to be a game changer in how we interact and engage with real-world assets. What are your thoughts on these projects? If you enjoyed this deep dive, please do consider dropping a like, comment, sharing, and subscribing for more from Web3 Coffee. Cheers.